Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the bubble hidden by Cassie to complete the Astralis in the Forest quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already found Cassie and then I need to find the bubble hidden by Cassie. Okay, you just need to follow the guide, this one guys. And you can follow where I go here to find the hidden bubble. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, and this is the bubble. And after we pop the bubble, we will get a t-shirt or a cloth. I don't know. And yeah, this is the bubble. And you can pop the bubble. Alright, let's pop the bubble. Oops. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the bubble hidden by Cassie to complete the Astralis and Faraz quest in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!